Hey guys, hope you're doing very well. So basically, so many Model S's were spotted at the Fremont Factory, but also a Model X was spotted with the Yoke steering wheel. So let's get on with this vid. So we're going to start off by taking a look at the Model S's that were spotted at the Fremont Factory. You can see this is a drone footage, and this is the first batch of Model S's. It's only Model S's on this delivery trailer. There are 4 Model S's on the top and 3 on the bottom of the delivery trailer. So yeah, that's the first batch. And then this is the second batch. You can see there are 5 Model S's. They all seem to be the long range because we can't really see red brake calipers on each of them. By the way, they all have Yoke steering wheels. But this is where it gets exciting. This is the giant batch of Model S's. Look at that. There are loads of Model S's. There are so many Model S's here. Oh my god. They all do seem to be having the Yoke steering wheel. And this is where it gets even more exciting. This is another huge batch of Model S's. There's loads of Model S's at the Fremont Factory. And as Elon said on the earnings call, they were expecting the deliveries of the Model S to start this month, which is May. So the deliveries of the Model S refresh should start by the end of this month. Model S orders are going to get delivery updates this week, as we saw in the email from Tesla. So hopefully we get some good news this week. So now let's see this Model X that was spotted with the Yoke steering wheel. So this is the Model X. It has the red exterior. Now, moving on to the interior, this model does have the black interior, but we have some interesting stuff going on with the trim on the dashboard and the door panel. You can see they're white, which is pretty interesting. Not so sure what's going on here. Maybe it's some plastic wrap on it to protect the trim. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But otherwise, the interior in this vehicle looks super clean. You can see the screen is tilted, and there's the Yoke steering wheel. Now we can't really tell if the Yoke steering wheel has a rough cut at the bottom of the T design, but we can see the Yoke steering wheel. Now moving on to the front end of the vehicle, you can get a good look at the new fog lights and the opening at the bottom on the Model X. Looks really neat and modern. Makes it look so much more new than that old looking C design. And also, the black trim on the Model S and X is going to be gloss. But don't start freaking out right away, because it seems like the gloss black trim has some coating on it which will reduce fingerprints. So hopefully that's true. Hopefully this gloss black trim won't get as dirty as the Gen 1 center console with the piano black in the Model 3 and the Y, which would get loads of fingerprints, loads of scratches, show up dust super easily. Doesn't really seem like there is any fingerprints on the gloss black trim in this video. Before we end off this video, smash that subscribe button. We are crazy close to 400 subscribers. Let's get there by this week. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notifications, and see you all in the next video.